Hello, good day. Today I'm going to go through the trade setup for the month of June. At the same time, I will also review my portfolio and trade summary for the last 5 months. So let's go. So let's look into my portfolio. So the green color is the portfolio performance, and versus the blue line here is the Nasdaq performance. So basically, for the last 1 year, the return is near to 42%. And roughly in around mid of last year, I started to be more actively trading on this portfolio. And with the trading itself, of course, the overall portfolio performance actually improved. So let's look into QQQ. Today, QQQ itself is still performing within this two range. It have a downtrend and is touching the resistance at this moment now. So it will be very interesting to look into the month of June, whether the QQQ can break through and go back into this channel. Next, let's look into IWM. I spoke about IWM in January, the Russell Index for small cap. It's still basically within this big range from 170 to 230. Nothing have changed much. And let's look into Hang Seng. Hang Seng is roughly around 23,000. So in January, I was talking about Hang Seng, and at that point of time, it's 22,000. So next, let's look into BTC. BTC in January, I think in my previous video, I was talking about looking at the pivot point on 29th of January. And you can see that after this pivot, it went down and now it's coming back. Around early April timeframe, all the crypto have been moving in the uptrend. And most of my trading have also been after 1st April. So you can see on my list of crypto, I have BTC and Ethereum. As of today, they are around 37% up from my buying price. I have not been doing any active trading on BTC or Ethereum after 29th of January. What I have done is I have bought some Ethereum by converting my BTC into Ethereum in roughly when Ethereum was below 2000. So that approach was different from most of the sharing by all the guru and master. So next, let's go and hear in what I have mentioned about in January 2025. Next on MSCI. So MSCI was about $33 then, but today it's below $30. So basically it's within this two range. There's some talk about DeepSeek, and that resulted in Nvidia and all the semicon that is dropping. So on SMCI, I have some of the stock that I'm holding. Basically, I'm selling put and call. So the call probably will expire woodless. So I will just receive maybe about $330. But on the same time, the put I will be hit by probably $100 of losses. So next on the BTC and Ethereum, still fluctuating about 103 for BTC, Ethereum 3,200 to 3,300. Nothing much have changed, and I don't plan to do much active trading as well. Do trade with care and also do take care as well. I think going into 28 January and tonight and tomorrow, I think the market will show us the trend of how they're going to perform in the next 4 weeks. So meantime, trade with care. So let's go back into the current market situation. These are some of the important market notes that I'm going to share with you for the month of June. So please do your due diligence, because I am not a stock guru, nor am I a certified financial professional. These are my own personal view for the market. In the month of June until 27th of June, do avoid over trading. The market condition will become very volatile. So it's wise to stay disciplined and avoid trading, especially if you do not have time to actually look into the market. On second area itself, try to plan your trade with the right trade setup. A right trade setup means entry and exit point, including cut loss point, and avoid trading during market hours and listening to market news. Market news typically is used to influence the retailer of how they buy and sell, and typically, from my experience, they are not accurate at all. Then the number third point is basically to look into good investment areas. This does not only include only equity, it actually is all different investment area, and the holding period should be more than 5 years. I do think that market will provide some very good opportunity in the next 12 months time until into 2027. For super micro, I have done 110 trade, and the realized P&L is about 4.3k. I have done in Nvidia, which is very linked to SOXL, only about 14 trade. And then, of course, recently I'm doing the United Health as well, which is about 37 trade. The return was pretty good at 5.5k. So with this, please do subscribe, like, and share my video, and I will be also providing an update somewhere in July. So you press the subscribe button to hear from my update soon. Thank you. Bye bye.